Have you ever wondered what the difference is between confidence and arrogance? Good news, you're in the right spot. Confidence is believing in yourself and your abilities, while arrogance is doing that in a way that makes others feel less about themselves. And confidence is like knowing that you were better than you were before, while arrogance is knowing, and maybe not exactly knowing, but believing that you're just better than everybody. So confidence is basing yourself like off of who you were before, while arrogance is comparing yourself to other people. So a really good mental trick is to just like keep focusing on yourself and your abilities and who you are in your personal journey instead of focusing on other people. Oh, and I also wanted to say, make sure you guys don't go anywhere, because as this video goes on, it's going to get deeper and deeper, and we're going to be hitting confidence and arrogance from different angles. So make sure you stay here so you get the most value out of the video. A lot of times people are concerned with being overconfident, when I believe that underconfidence is a bigger issue than overconfidence. And sometimes overconfidence is displayed, or arrogance is displayed in a way that we think that they are really confident, but really deep down they're like really in pain. So they become arrogant because of that pain. And a really good example for that is bullies. Like bullies never are really confident in their self. That's why they have to hurt other people, because they're deep down hurting themselves. And if you guys want to know how to be more confident, because you are probably dealing with underconfidence of some sort, because I believe a lot of people are, more than being overconfident, make sure you guys go check out this video that I made on one simple hack to be more confident. It's up there. It's also going to be in the description below. Back to before, where I talked about confidence is believing in yourself and your abilities. Maybe you're asking, what if I don't have any abilities? Where do I get my confidence? Well, I used to feel that way too. And but I grew out of it when I started a relationship with Christ. And I realized that my value isn't in myself or my abilities. I realized that it's not what I do, but what Christ did for me on the cross. And the act that's not myself or anything I can do, but the act of Christ, which is what I find my identity in. Because now I realize that no matter what I do, or any certain of level, like no matter how great of an athlete I am, even if I'm like super good, or even if I'm super bad, Christ's love for me is still the same. And that's the thing, that's the constant that I hold on to. Because maybe I'll get some praise for people if I score a goal, or if I get like 1,000 followers on YouTube, or just anything that is based off of like the world's metrics of your value. And if I found my identity in that, then like let's say YouTube like gets like shut down because Trump wants to like delete it, like he's trying to delete like TikTok or something like that. Or like let's say I injure my foot and I can't play soccer anymore. Like those things are gone. Where do I find my identity? I find my identity in Christ, because that's a constant solid that nothing can ever change. And if you find your confidence in something else other than Christ, it's gonna waver. And the only place that I found this security and identity of like something that's always constant, which is God's love, which is shown to me through Christ and his death on the cross. Like Christianity is the only place that I've ever found something constant where somebody else did something for me. And if you guys have found something else, then let me know in the comments, because I'd like to hear about it. But other than anything else, any religions or anything in the world, I've never seen something where somebody else did something for you based off of you doing something against them. Because that's what I did. I was going against Christ, and I was going against his will for my life. But despite that, Christ decided to die on the cross for me. And that's where I find my identity and my hope. Because I know that nothing in the world can change that. It's something greater than political issues, than like politicians can't change it. The most powerful people in the world cannot change this fact that Christ loves me and he died on the cross for my sins no matter what. Question of the day is, what do you think the difference between confidence and arrogance is? I'd like to hear your comments in the comments below. Because the reality is that sometimes the community has better answers and really dope perspectives that I can never bring up myself. So really, I really love hearing you guys on my other videos. I got like 20 comments, super dope. I read through every single one of them, and I appreciate every single one of you guys that comments. So comment below, let me know your thoughts. Thank you for staying until the entire video. Hope this made sense to you guys, the difference between confidence and arrogance. If it didn't, let me know in the comments below. I can break down some more stuff. But with that said, make sure you guys go check out my other video about one simple hack to be more confident, because the reality is probably dealing with more underconfidence than overconfidence. It's up there, description below too. And I'll see you guys